students, welcome in this maths class. In this class we'll discuss about right circular cylinder, and I have drawn this right circular cylinder. This is its height, this is radius of the right circular cylinder, and it has two circular plane ends. So this is first circular plane end and this is second circular plane ends. These are called the bases of the cylinder also. Okay, so this is axis of the cylinder, and this axis is perpendicular to these circular planes. That's why it is called right circular cylinder, because this axis is a right angle, at right angle to these two circular ends. That's why it is called right circular cylinder. So we'll do some formulas of CSA, curved surface area of the cylinder, and TSA, total surface area of the cylinder. So let's see what are these. This is a rectangle. Okay, so this is its length, this is its breadth. Okay, I'll roll this rectangle to form a cylinder. So let's see what will be happened. So I'm rolling this rectangle to form cylinder. So see here, this is length, this is breadth, right? So this way I'm rolling and I have got this cylinder. Now this is a cylinder. Now you can see that in cylinder, this is the length of that rectangle. Now it is becoming now the circumference of the circle. This is 2 pi r, circumference of the circle, right? Circumference of the cylinder this is now, and this is a height, this is height. So breadth was earlier, it was, now it is height. See here, it is breadth, now it is changing into the height of the cylinder. You can see breadth is changed into the height of the cylinder, right? And length is becoming this circumference, that is 2 pi r. So earlier this rectangle's area was L into B, means length into breadth, that you all know. Now it is L is becoming 2 pi r, right? L is becoming 2 pi r and breadth is becoming now height. So area will be L into B. So see here, rectangle's area is L into B, but now this length is becoming into 2 pi r and breadth become into h. So what is CSA of this cylinder? 2 pi r h. So that's why it is 2 pi r h. So this is a CSA. Okay, so this full orange portion, this is looking to you, that is called CSA of the cylinder, right? And the formula for the CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h, because rectangle's area is same as CSA of cylinder, because I have made this cylinder with this rectangle only. So rectangle area is L into B, and if I am molding this as in the form of cylinder, then its area will be L into B only, but L is now changed into 2 pi r and breadth is changed into height. So it is 2 pi r h. Now if I am talking about the total surface area, then TSA of right circular cylinder is this CSA plus area of this circle plus area of this circle. Okay, so what it becomes, let's see. TSA, that is 2 pi r h, plus area of this circle is pi r square, area of this circle is also pi r square, so it becomes 2 pi r square. So from here 2 pi r can be taken common. So what is left here? H plus r. So always remember the TSA, total surface area of a right circular cylinder, is 2 pi r into r plus h, or h plus r you can say. Okay, so let's do some problems regarding these questions. So the first question is, find CSA, curved surface area, and TSA of right circular cylinder whose height is 15 centimeter and radius of the base is 7 centimeter. So I'll do here. So in first question, what is given? Height of the cylinder. So we'll write here, for right circular cylinder, for right circular cylinder, okay, here height, that is h. H is given 15 centimeter, radius is given 7 centimeter. So first he is asking that find the curved surface area. So we know CSA of cylinder, short form you can write cylinder only, that is 2 pi r h. Okay, so let's fill the value. 2 into pi value is 22 over 7, r radius is 7 and h is 15. So 7 is cancelled with 7, 7 ones are 7 ones are. So it is now 15 twos are 30 and into 22. So simply I can multiply 22 3s are 66 and 1 0. Okay, so 660 centimeter square is the CSA of this right circular cylinder. Now I need to find out its TSA. So TSA of cylinder formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. So what it becomes? 2 pi, pi is 22/7, r is 7, r plus h, that is 7 plus 15, right? So let's see what will be. 7 ones are 7 ones are 22, 2s are 44, and 15 plus 7, that is 22, right? So 22 4s are 88, 8 is carry, 22 4s are 88, 88 plus 8 96. So this is the TSA of this right circular cylinder. Now let's do the second question. The diameter of the base of a right circular cylinder is 4.2 decimeter, dm is decimeter, and its height is 1 decimeter. Find area of the curved surface in centimeter square. So right circular cylinder diameter is 4.2 decimeter. First of all, I want to tell you what is decimeter. So 1 decimeter contains 10 centimeters. Always remember 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So here diameter is given. So we'll write here diameter, and this is given 4.2 decimeter. So we can find out radius. Radius is the half of the diameter. So 4.2/2, that is 2.1 decimeter. Now we'll change decimeter into centimeter because it is asked in centimeters only. So we'll multiply with 10 only because 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter. So multiply by 10. So we get this decimal will go one place forward. So 21 centimeter is the radius. And then height is given 1 decimeter. So 1 decimeter, you know that is 10 centimeter. So directly you can change. Now CSA you want to find out. So CSA of cylinder is, formula is with us, that is 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi is 22/7, r is here 21, and h is here 10. So let's cancel these all now. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So let's see what will be there in multiplication. So 22 threes are 66, 66 twos are 132, and 1 0 is there. So you can multiply also, and sorry, it is 1320 centimeters square. In third question, the curved surface area of cylinder is given 1320 centimeters square. Its base has radius of 10.5 centimeter. Height we need to find out. Okay, so see here what is the CSA. This is, so first of all we'll write here radius here is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so and CSA of cylinder is here 1320 centimeters square, right? So the formula for CSA is 2 pi RH is equal to 1320, right? So fill the value of r here. So we will have 2 into pi is 22/7, r is 10.5, and 10.5 can be written as 105/10. So remove this decimal, and then h and is equal to 1320. So what we do now, we'll transpose the terms to the right hand side, and h will be here in the left hand side only. So first of all, you can cancel if any cancellation is there. 7 ones are 7 15s are. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 5 ones are 5 3s are. So many are cancelled. So see here 22 and 3 are left here. So these are in the numerator here. These will go in the denominator in cross multiplication. So h will be left 1320 over. This is 22 and this is 3. So we can cancel these also. 22 ones are 22, 6 are 132, and then 0 is there. So 3 ones are 3 20s are. So 20 centimeter is the height of that right circular.